This is a new model subverting definition of traditional electric vehicles, solving the range anxiety of 200 kilometers plus. Equipped with intelligent 2-speed automatic transmission, quick swap lithium-ion batteries, independent suspension damping system, and cloud remote control management system. Designed by Italian professional design team design. It is QSD Joy, made by Changsheng Electric Vehicle Manufacturing Company. Nowadays, in Southeast Asia, Africa, and other vast areas, electric tricycles have become an essential tool in daily life due to their convenience and durability, strong applicability, flexibility, beauty, and fashion, convenient maintenance, and low prices. At present, it is widely used in family travel, cargo transportation, cleaning, fire protection, factory transportation, and other fields. Combining the current situation of Southeast Asia and other countries, China Changsheng Group has broken through the restriction of traditional fuel vehicles. In response to the global trend of new energy power, designed and developed the QSD Joy that adopts new energy power, thus achieving short-distance clean energy travel. Through the detailed calculation of QSD Joy, the monthly cost savings is nearly $200 based on the mileage of 200 kilometers per day comparison of traditional fuel vehicle travel. QSD Joy is an intelligent model. The vehicle is equipped with multifunction LCD instrument, backup camera, MP4, combined with base audio system. It is full of technology. The passenger transportation model size is length 2,800 millimeters, by width 1,500 millimeters, by height 1,850 millimeters. The bigger width provides large space for 3 passengers. QSD Joy is designed with multiple storage spaces, a portable storage space and toolbox for driver also. A spare tire is provided behind the passenger seat. QSD Joy adopts a new energy electronic control system, and the whole vehicle is equipped with a new generation of permanent magnet synchronous motor. It runs ultra-quiet and more comfortable, making tricycle stepping to the future with a new posture. It has a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Meanwhile, equipped with an LFP lithium battery for a maximum range of 200 kilometers plus. QSD Joy adopts independent suspension shock absorption. The vehicle is designed with unique wide-body rear axle so that it can be very stable in rough road sections or when taking a sudden turns at high speed. QSD Joy adopts a short wheelbase to finish a turning with 3.2 meters radius. It can pass through narrow and curved roads easily and avoid obstacles perfectly. The vehicle braking system adopts the oil-drum brake design to make a shorter braking distance. QSD Joy has excellent load capacity and durability, lower center of gravity, better high-speed driving stability, and a better frame protection for passengers. QSD Joy makes life easier. QSD Joy has good dust-proof and waterproof performance. The motor and controller can reach IP66 protection level. In terms of body design, Changsheng has heightened the placement of batteries and motors. The vehicle has excellent waterproof and grip performance, which is easy to deal with rainy roads. The maximum folding depth of the vehicle is 25 centimeters. 2. Lithium iron phosphate batteries are used in QSD Joy. The battery cycle lifespan can be more than 2,000 times. They are arranged in the rear compartment with a push-pull installation structure design. The vehicles are also equipped with an onboard charging system to make charging more convenient. QSD Joy is not only convenient to charge at home for personal passenger transportation business, but also can be operated as a taxi business with a shared battery swap system. The vehicle has excellent economic performance and only consumes 5 kilowatt-hour of electricity per 100 kilometers. QSD Joy can be used in combination with photovoltaic charging and swapping station to achieve quick battery replacement and charging. Also, it is equipped with a mobile phone app and a cloud management system, which can realize remote vehicle condition monitoring, GPS positioning, operation and maintenance. QSD Joy has a cargo transportation model too. The Joy cargo transportation model is equipped with 1.2 by 1.7 meters carriage box that can carry 1-ton cargo. The whole body adopts multi-layer beam load-bearing structure design like trucks. The motor peak power can be up to 6.4 kilowatts. The maximum torque can reach 800 Newton meters, plus the 2-speed automatic transmission. QSD Joy can climb a 30-degree slope with a load of 1 ton. Changsheng has been focusing on the production and development of electric three-wheelers for more than 20 years. The products sell well in more than 30 countries around the world. Changsheng has complete set of equipment and workshops for electric tricycles production. From the procurement of raw materials to the delivery of the vehicle to you, Changsheng provides one-stop service. Located in Hebei Province, China. The company has more than 500 employees and built metal plating, welding, painting, assembly workshops, R&D center, design center, etc. Your requirement for customization would be fulfilled exactly. We cordially invite friends and distributors from all over the world to visit to our factory for business negotiation. Your needs are our concerns. Your success is our success.